Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix audio out of sync in PLC. Don't worry, here are how to fix audio sync issue in PLC. Fix 1. Use PLC build in audio delay control. First, play the PLC video. Tap on the screen to show the controls. Then tap the speech bubble icon. Then look for audio delay. Tap plus if audio is behind. Tap minus if audio is ahead. Fix 2. Change playback speed. First, tap the screen. Then tap the three dot icon. Find playback speed. Then change it slightly like 1.05. Then set it back to 1.00. Fix 3. Turn off hardware delay decoding. First, open the PLC app. Then go to the settings. Find the hardware decoding. Then turn it off. Fix 4. Import the video. If the file was transferred incorrectly, audio can shift. First, delete the video from PLC. Second, re-edit with airdrop file, app or Wi-Fi upload. This fixes corrupted timestamps in the video. Fix 5. Update PLC. Go to the App Store. Then search for PLC. Tap on update if there is any. Latest updates fix most audio sync bugs, and that's it. Your PLC audio should now be perfectly in sync. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next